Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zoom for online meetings, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zoom website. Log into your Zoom account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on Settings in the left-hand menu. Under the Meeting tab, enable the Host Video option if you want your video to be on by default when you start a meeting. Next, scroll down to the Participants section. Enable the Participant Video option if you want participants' video to be on by default when they join. Now, look for the Audio section. Select whether you want to allow participants to join using their computer audio, telephone, or both. Next, navigate to the In Meeting, Basic section. Here, you can enable features like screen sharing, breakout rooms, and chat. Consider activating the Waiting Room feature to control who enters your meeting. In the Recording tab, adjust settings according to whether you want meetings to be recorded locally or in the cloud. If you're keen on security, go to the Security section and set a password for your meetings. To ensure a smooth meeting experience, check that the Enable Join Before Host option is set according to your preference. Next, you may want to set up virtual backgrounds under the In Meeting, Advanced section. Once you have configured your settings, scroll to the bottom and click on Save to apply all changes. Now, let's schedule a meeting. Go back to the home page and click on Schedule a Meeting. Fill in the meeting topic, description, date, and time. Adjust other settings, such as duration and recurrence, as needed. Make sure to set your meeting to the appropriate settings you configured earlier. Once everything is in order, click Save to schedule your meeting. You can now share the meeting link with participants via email or social media. Check your email for any notifications and confirm the meeting details. On the day of the meeting, open your Zoom application and click on Join. Enter the meeting ID and password, if required, to join the meeting. Make any final adjustments to your audio and video settings once you enter the meeting room. Prepare to greet your participants as they join. Enjoy your successfully configured Zoom meeting experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.